Hi there, my name's Lisa. Welcome to English for Everyone.
And my name's Kevin. Today we're going to practice with a little and a little bit. We're going to look at the difference and learn how to use them correctly. Let's get started. We use a little before nouns to say a small amount, a small quantity. Remember to use a little sugar. Or you can say a little bit as a substitution. You don't have to say sugar. If someone asks you, would you like a little sugar? Yes, I would like a little bit. You can say a little bit of sugar, but it's longer. A little bit of sugar. It's correct to say a little sugar. It's faster and easier to say a little sugar and not a little bit of sugar. But both are correct. When you hear someone speaking and they say a little bit of sugar, you see that the T in little changes to a D because it's between vowels phonetically. A little. Bitta. The T in bit is between vowels, so it changes to a fast D too. A little bit of sugar. And you don't hear the V in of because the word sugar starts with a consonant. If the next word after of starts with a consonant, many times you won't hear the V sound. You hear a little bit of sugar. A little bit of sugar. You can pronounce the V and say a little bit of sugar. It's correct. But Americans won't sometimes. You'll hear a little bit of. Example, a little bit of orange juice. Orange juice starts with a vowel, so we need to pronounce the V sound. A little bit of orange juice. A little bit of orange juice. Let's practice. Do you like a little sugar in your coffee?
Yes, I like a little sugar in my coffee.
Does she like a little sugar in her coffee? Very good. Do you want any sugar in your coffee?
Just a little bit.
Does she want any sugar in her coffee? Very good. Sometimes we do say a little bit of or a little of when you have a determiner like her milk. Then we say a little bit of her milk or a little of her milk. Both are correct. Example, she drank a little of her milk or she drank a little bit of her milk. Both are correct. We use a little before adjectives like tired. He needs to sit down. He's a little tired. Or you can use bit. He needs to sit down. He's a little bit tired. Both are correct. Let's practice. Why does he need to sit down?
He needs to sit down because he's a little tired.
Why does he need to sit down? Very good. Other example with an adjective. Hard. He's a little bit hard to understand. He speaks very fast. He's a little hard to understand or he's a little bit hard to understand. Both are correct. Let's practice. Does he talk too fast?
Yes, he talks too fast. He's a little hard to understand.
Does he talk too fast? Is he a little bit hard to understand? Very good. We can use a little as an adverb describing a verb, like shaking. He's shaking a little. He's shaking a little or he's shaking a little bit. Both are correct. Let's practice. Is he cold?
Yes, he's cold. He's shaking a little.
Is he cold? Is he shaking? Very good. And we can use a little with no noun. He reads a lot. He knows a little about everything. Or you can say bit. He knows a little bit about everything. Let's practice. Does he read a lot?
Yes, he reads a lot. He knows a little about everything.
Does he read a lot? Very good.
Thank you for watching.
And if you want to improve your English and get more resources, click the link below and check out the book that we use in our classes, and you can improve your reading, listening, and speaking. Thanks for watching.